Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. This is Mike Del Rosa with Pivotal Consulting, and today we're going to cover task tracking, but specifically task tracking with Microsoft To Do. In the last video, we covered task management and automation with the Microsoft Planner app. So if you haven't seen that video yet, go back to our channel and check it out.
Okay, so now we're talking about To Do. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't To Do another task tracking app? Well, To Do is also great for task tracking, and we like to use it because it has some pretty cool and useful features, and it's getting better all the time. This also has a mobile app that allows you to access this from anywhere. And even better still, it integrates with both Outlook and Planner. So some of the key features that we love about To Do listed here is that it automatically pulls in Outlook tasks, it automatically pulls in flagged emails and Planner tasks, and it also allows you to edit Planner tasks, which is really, really great. So let me quickly here switch over to Do. Now we are in the To Do app here. And so like I was mentioning here, this is automatically pulling in these tasks from the Planner. So that's nice because you don't have to worry about doing that. You can add tasks here and add due dates. You can edit these Planner tasks as necessary. And what's really nice is it actually even pulls in flagged emails. How you set that up is you come up here to the gear icon into settings, and then click on To Do settings. Scroll to the bottom here till you find the connected apps section. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you have Planner and flagged emails both clicked on. This is going to make sure that the app can integrate and connect with these both Planner and Outlook, and it's going to go ahead and then be able to pull in the tasks that are directly associated with that or created by Outlook and Planner. So that's how you do that. And to show you how that flagging works, so you go in here, let's say you have an email coming in, you're sending out that you have to follow up on, or it's a task you have to do yourself. What's really great is that you can actually just flag that task, flag that email. What To Do is going to do is it's actually going to pull that, and it's going to recognize that you flagged that email, and it's going to pull it into To Do. It's already in here as a flagged email, so it's already in here, which is great, and you can see that automatically without having to leave this app or push a button to send it anywhere. All you do is flag that email and it's automatically pushed into To Do. So this is really great when you're just trying to keep yourself organized. And if you work out of your Outlook calendar, this is a must have because this is the easiest way to see everything that you need to see. Make sure that you keep up to date with all of your different tasks that you have going on, especially if you work out of your email. And when you click on each of these tasks, you can add the due date, whatever you want to that. You can select categories, you can add files to it, and you can actually see here the email or the context of that email, which is really nice. You can open that in Outlook if you want to get more information, or you want to maybe reply, or you want to do whatever you got to do. I think all this information is here automatically pulled in from Outlook without really doing much. All you did was flag the email. This comes in handy a lot with managing teams. And so this is a really good tool for people managers to help keep track of all the things that are going on within your Outlook email so that you make sure that you don't miss any due dates. We also want to make sure that we talk about the limitations for all of these. And so one of the limitations that is specifically associated to the To Do app is that while you can edit existing Planner tasks from To Do, you're not able to, at this moment, create new tasks directly from To Do. So that's a little bit of a bummer because you do have to create the task within Planner, but you can make changes to this as necessary. And you can actually add tasks in here yourself, but they're not going to directly go and get associated back into your Planner. So testing 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to add a random task. And so this is going to automatically put a due date for today, but that's okay. I just want to show you that it doesn't automatically integrate backwards into Planner. Again, this is just a current limitation, not to say that this isn't going to get changed or edited or added at some point by Microsoft.
Alright everybody, this wraps up our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more technology insights like this, and hit that like button notification bell to keep up with our videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.